Imagine making money online simply by just reading stuffs aloud. Sounds cool, right? So picture this. Let's say you are lounging in your comfy chair, reading out aloud, and yes, you are really raking in the cash. Now, do you know that there are platforms, there are literally websites that allow you to make money by doing this? Well, that's why I'm here. They open an opportunity where all you have to do is simply read scripts and narrate books all from your home. Okay, so you can literally do this anywhere and it's open for anyone, and all you simply need is your voice and the internet. So let's simply dive into how you can start this. Now, the very first website is ACX, and you can easily access this by going to acx.com. So basically with ACX, this is how the website look like, and with ACX you simply bring books to life with your voice. So you can simply be a narrator for audiobooks and you earn a lot of money from it. So this is a platform where you actually come in, so you get to sign up as a narrator and you make money. So you can see here there are authors and their narrators and their publishers. So you can see under the narrators you get to create your profile as an individual narrator or a studio, and of course you get started. All you need to do is get started. When you click get started, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, your company, location and everything, and you also want to fill in your role either as a narrator, as an author, as a publisher, as a studio or as an agent. But since this video is showing you how to make money online, then definitely you want to be going for narrator. With ACX is basically and practically an extension of Amazon, so you need to have an Amazon account in order to get started with ACX. However, for this ACX, which is what I would need to share with you since I am bringing this opportunity to you, is that this is only strictly available for now in the US, in the United Kingdom, in Canada and in Ireland. So if you are in any of these locations and you're looking for a simple and a cool way to make money online by just reading aloud, then definitely this is your bus stop. However, if you are not in this country that have been mentioned, then no worries, just stick to the end of this video as I will be showing you some other websites that would accommodate for you. Now, the next on the list is Fiverr. And basically Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to literally sell any service. Like any service that can be sold online, you can literally put it on Fiverr and sell it. Now on Fiverr, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be selling being a voiceover artist. So you're going to be selling a gig as a voiceover artist. You can easily access it by going to fiverr.com. If you are a fan of my videos, of which if you have watched to this point, I would love you to smash the like button, do what to leave a comment where you're watching from, comment what country you're watching from, as I would like to know, and also do well to smash the subscribe button as I give you more videos on how you can make money online just easy peasy. The potential earnings on Fiverr are a lot. That is one of the beautiful, amazing things about Fiverr, is that you can literally fix your own price, you can set your own rates, so therefore the earnings can be as high as you set it, or whatever price you set. You can see $30 per 100 words. You can see this person wants to go for $5 per 200 words, and you can see the likes of it. So this is one way that you want to, sign up and of course start getting clients from Fiverr. And all you need to do is, now basically what you want to do is you want to sign up. Like now I've signed up and I have signed in. Now you want to click this here and you want to go to gigs, because with Fiverr you're going to be creating gigs. what I showed you here, all these are gigs. So these are gigs people create, and where potential buyers or potential clients will go, and of course if they're impressed by what you are doing, click on your profile, and of course straight into closing the sale. So you can come here and you click create a new gig. So you can see here it will show you your active gigs, your gigs pending approval by Fiverr, then requires notification and stuff like that. So now once you click on create a new gig, it is going to take you to this point where you can literally put the details of your gig. You can see the overview, the pricing, how much do you want to charge for your gig, description in details, what your gig entails. So of course the requirements and the galleries where you showcase works that you have done. Even if you are just a startup and you do not have works that you have done, you can literally go and pick up audiobooks on Amazon that haven't gotten a narrator. You can do a little narration for it, probably 1 minute, 2 minutes, and of course you save it as a draft as what you did. Now for the overview, you are going to put in your gig title. So if I'm creating a gig as a voiceover artist, I will do a great voiceover for your audiobook or for your articles, whatever it is. You want to put that there. The category you want to select, where does it fall in, and obviously it will fall in on music and audio since we are literally reading aloud. So now you want to select a category, and this will pop up once you have selected something here. You want to select a category which is basically voiceover. Now once you select that, you want to put in keywords. This is to help Fiverr to have it's just like the algorithm of Fiverr to let it know what exactly you are trying to sell. And you may want to put in hashtags like voiceover artist, voiceover audiobooks, stuff like that, something that relates it to what your gig is about. And now you're going to continue. Once you continue, it's going to take you through all these stages until you publish. The moment you publish, your gig is automatically live, and from there you can start getting potential clients. You may want to also be able to share your gig links. You can share it on social media platforms so as to get even much more traction on your gig. Now the third one is Upwork, and basically just like Fiverr, which I have already explained, it is also a freelancing platform. And basically freelancers, you can go there and get jobs online at your own timing, your own schedule, and of course you get paid for it. So on Upwork, you can see the Upwork and Fiverr kind of works differently. With Fiverr, you create gigs. With Upwork, the client drops their job post there. You go there and you make a proposal and you bid in competition to be selected and to get the job. So now for Upwork, the possibilities with Upwork are also endless, because you get so many job opportunities with different payment, with different pricing. Okay, so you can see here, if you want to search, I've searched for voiceover artist, and you can see the hundreds of job works that have popped up just for voiceover artists. You can see here British female UGC voiceover needed, experienced voiceover artist Indian languages, voiceover artists for Bulgarian languages, and it is limitless. There is also a place where you can filter, so instead of you to scroll down and down and down, all you can do is come here to the side, you select the category. If you are an entry level, because if you're watching this video and you are just starting out and you want to see this, or you are seeing this as a means of something you can delve into and of course make some cool cash, you may want to select you may want to put up your profile because you want to sign up. If you already have an account, fine, you can use that account. But if you don't have an account, you want to sign up, and of course So you want to sign up and you want to put in your profile, say a little about you, your pricing. So when you are searching for jobs, if you are an entry level, you want to search for jobs by entry level, experience level, because probably you are just starting out. Then the job type, if you want an hourly job or if you want a fixed price job that will just say, oh, do this for $200, do this for $100, then it's up to you. You can also select that. You can select the number of proposals here, because once you submit your proposal, you can see it's less than 5 proposals. So you want to go for the least or the lesser number of proposals, so you have a higher chance of getting picked. You want to do all that, and you want to apply for as much as you want, because the more you apply, the more chances you are of getting picked, and of course the more chances you have of growing and understanding how it works. Now this, I would say, is not a get rich quick scheme overnight. So it's not something you start out today and you make hundreds and millions of dollars, but the universe always recognizes commitment and consistency. All you need to do is take the first step to start, and of course every other thing will literally fall in place step by step as you go. So if you have watched this video up to this part and you found this video super helpful, do not forget to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Comment where you are watching from so I can know where my viewers are watching from, and I can make videos that are well suited to where you are watching from, so that you can take full advantage of all these platforms that can help you make money online. And I remain TFI, and I help to show you ways on how you can make money online. So stay tuned and bye.